Let's make my witchy log cabin variant quilt pattern using a layer cake. Layer cakes are 10-inch squares, and for this pattern you will need 42 layer cakes to yield a 51-inch by 59.5-inch quilt, or you can use 80 10-inch squares to create a 68-inch by 85-inch, yielding a extra large twin size quilt. A lovely subscriber named Elaine sent this collection called Little Witch by Jennifer Long from Riley Blake Fabrics. Thank you so much for your donation, and I do hope you enjoys today's quilt pattern. Now let's get started. For our cutting instructions, please pay close attention to how we cut this, as any other method won't yield enough fabric. A rotating mat will really help out here. First, on the left side of your 10-inch square, you will cut out a 2.5-inch by 9-inch rectangle. Then on top, you will cut a 2.5-inch by 7-inch rectangle, followed by another 2.5-inch by 7-inch rectangle on the left side. Lastly, a 2.5-inch by 5-inch rectangle on top, leaving you with a 5-inch square. All of these measurements will be listed down below in the video's description. Repeat this step to all of your 10-inch squares. Now that everything is cut, we are going to rotate some fabric prints around to create a log cabin style quilt block. If you have made my layer cake log cabin, which I will have linked down below in the description, it will be very familiar, only just slightly different. First, you will take the 2.5-inch by 5-inch rectangle and sew it to the top of your 5-inch square. Then you will take the 2.5-inch by 7-inch rectangle and sew it to the left side of your unit. And here is where things are going to change. We will rotate our last strips and sew the other 2.5-inch by 7-inch rectangle to the right side. And lastly, the 2.5-inch by 9-inch rectangle to the top, leaving you with a 9-inch quilt block. Repeat this step until you have a total of 42 quilt blocks for the throw size or 80 quilt blocks for the twin size quilt. Once all of your blocks are made, you are going to lay them out in a 6x7 block layout for the throw or a 8x10 block layout for the twin. For your odd rows, you will place the square pointing to the right side. Then for your next block, rotate it around until the squares are touching. You'll repeat this pattern throughout the row. Then for your even rows, you will start with the opposite. First, you will place the square pointing to the left side. Then your second block will be pointing the square away from it. And then the third block will have the squares touching again. And this will create a brick style layout. Then as always, you'll sew your blocks together into rows, and lastly, sew your rows together to complete your quilt top. And here is what my witchy log cabin looks like all finished. For the backing, I am using a print called Allure by Blank Quilting Corporation. Then for the thread choice, I am going with Glide threads in the color lead gray. And here is what my quilt looks like all quilted. For my long arm quilters, I went with Witch's Hat by myself, Moonkin Stitchery, which I will link down below in the video's description. Once again, one 42 count layer cake will yield a 51-inch by 59.5-inch quilt, or you can use 80 10-inch squares to create a 68-inch by 85-inch extra large twin size quilt. But I do hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. If you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.